Once again, good morning. I'm going to continue with the same topic today, where we have left over with the different functions of human resource management. We have completed with one wing, that is managerial function, and the other part we have operative function. We have already seen with few of the topics there. And here what happens is like human resource planning plays an important role: selection, placement, induction. So that is the அதாவது from the beginning, HR has to analyze if the vacancies are there. எம்ப்ளாய்மெண்ட்டை பற்றி நல்லாவே தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும். அதாவது like how many departments are there, how many employees are working with the different departments, whether its requirement is there, whether we have to drop the recruitment, whether we have to take a person, whether to select the right person, if this person is a good person, if we select. So we have to analyze in different, that is why that HR shows more experience, should be a more experienced person when dealing with employees. So see, our what to say, the decision making power should be strong enough to select the person, and that too seeking for the right person to right job, right? So அது மூலமா வந்து placements, if there is any internal or external, how to give an induction, அந்த மாதிரிலாம் நிறைய சேஞ்சஸ் வந்து இங்கே கொண்டு வரலாம். ஸோ here you see the thing what they have brought is the right candidate for right job. See how many things identify, scan, என்னென்ன ப்ராசஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்குங்கிறது தான் இங்கே இருக்குது, வேறு ஒன்றுமே இல்லை. ஸ்கேன் தி சிவியை ஸ்கேன் பண்ணுறாங்க, சூட்டபிள் டெஸ்ட் வைக்கிறாங்க, ரெஸ்பெக்டிவ் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ஸை வந்து என்ன அப்படிங்கிறது போய் பார்க்க சொல்லுவாங்க. இவால்வேட்டிங் how the candidate's certificates and salary, அதாவது it should match with the thing, salary and your experience. Everything should match, and you should be fit enough to work in that organization. So there's so many things, it is inculcated with the selection point. Right now, the placement, what is placement now? I know very well that you might have known about all the placement structure. So here what I used to do is I will conduct activity over here. Now how, why I should conduct an activity over here is, you see, throughout the day the employees are getting boredom. ஸோ என்னென்னா, அவங்கள வந்து நிறைய ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ், நிறைய ட்ரைனிங்ஸ், நிறைய ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் when we do, they also get refreshed. So likewise in the classroom also we used to do different activities. You know why? To refresh ourselves, okay, to get an induction. நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம் இந்த காலேஜில், நம்ம என்ன பண்ண வந்திருக்கோம், why we have come to this college and for what to do அப்படிங்கிறது you have to analyze. Okay, so that is what, whichever the objectives is there, you have to tolerate and you have to do the best. So finally in future you will be sitting in a very good position, whereas we will be very very happy to see that. So that is another thing, human resource development. அதில் வந்து டெவலப்மெண்ட் அப்படின்னாலே இண்டிவிஜுவல் டெவலப்மெண்ட் ஒன்லி. யூ டெவலப், your family develop, your organization developed, your supervisor develop, எல்லாமே ஒரு இடத்துல வந்து ஒரு டெவலப்மெண்ட்னு பார்த்தோன்னா, அந்த ஒரு அப்ரைசல் வந்து கரெக்டாக இருந்ததுன்னா, then definitely they can do wonders in their forthcoming life. அதுதான் what to say. Next is training. So how far the training has happened, the training அப்படிங்கிறது, it's giving us some knowledge. It is making us to improve our skill. It is giving some input to get the attitude. So இது எல்லாமே பார்த்தோன்னா என்ன அப்படின்னா, we have to identify the training, we have to design things, we have to conduct, we have to evaluate. All the process are heavy in the sense. So whatever it is, the training, then comes the management development. So management have to develop for the next level. And then career planning, it identifies one career goal into fundamentals, and you have to frame the role of thing, and finally you have to complete. So then we will talk about compensation. That compensation is nothing but, you see, I have shown you in the activity in the class itself. So one finger is high and one finger is low, in the sense when we communicate something, when we do something, when we don't have enough cash in us, immediately what we do, we transfer to that particular person, isn't it? So அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிறப்ப என்ன ஆகும்னா, they there is a lot of chances of getting ideas in several areas, right? So அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிறப்போ you can just approach me, and then we will see what to do. Okay. So job evaluation, evaluate பண்ணணும். அதுதான் வந்து நான் இப்போ காம்பன்சேஷனே வந்து என்னென்னா, யாருக்கு என்ன மாதிரியான சம்பளத்தை கொடுக்கணும், who is eligible, who gets, because no employee will be ready to உங்களோட டிகிரிக்கு கம்மியாக வந்து சம்பளம் கொடுக்க மாட்டார், அதே மாதிரி ஜாஸ்தியாகவும் உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்க, even though you are designation designed person. So that evaluation should be made by the thing, and then identify the suitable techniques, evaluate various programs, and accreditation trainings, வந்து அது like what to say, the decision making only. Okay, every problem has a solution. So for that you can ascertain the worthful jobs if you have. So that likewise it is a creation of network only. Then wage and salary admission. Wage na daily or once in a week, monthly in the sense 2 months. So these kind of simple things that you have to know. Fringe benefits are another important monetary and non-monetary benefit, that is disability benefit, housing, canteen, conveyance, educational, chat, what to say, medical and welfare. இதெல்லாம் வந்து it is there in our life. It is there in our life. And but we don't know, sometimes we forget about all these things. இதெல்லாம் வந்து நம்ம டெய்லியில் when you go to the things, companies, big companies, they give all these kind of benefits. Okay, so that alone has been put over here as a small margin, right? So the next topic is like HR ஓட ரிலேஷன் பாலிசி அண்ட் இது இருக்கு இல்லையா. ஸோ அது மட்டும் நீங்கள் வந்து வாட் வி ஷால் டூ இஸ் வி ஷால் ஐ திங்க் வி ஷால் stop that today, and we will continue in the next class. Okay, because I think today's you have additional, like I have given activities or other things that you can complete, and we will assignments and all, we will do it in the Monday. Okay, thank you so much for your kind cooperation. Okay, fine.